of nothing but AI videos about Ultima drivers. I can't. I mean, if anyone hasn't seen them,
go have a look.
just go look. It's so wrong on so many levels. But the AI quirkiness adds funniness to it, and the fact that we all know, that Ultima's got a reputation. Ultima drivers got a reputation for a reason. It's and the problem is, we were on the desert recording an episode, and I was doing a thing on hydrogen insurance. Like, jasonsemi.com.
Hey Siri, text Sierra.
What do you want to say to Sierra?
I got a Waymo to honk at me just now.
It says, I got a way out to honk at me just now. Send it?
No.
Okay, cancel.
Hey Siri, text Sierra.
What do you want to say to Sierra?
I got a Waymo to honk at me just now.
It says, I got a Waymo to honk at me just now. Send it?
Yes.
Done.
Waymo.
Actually, a fully penetrated cultural thing, or if it's just not
Valuable, I think it is.
you get it, right?
There was that whole Ultima Motorsports event, Ultima one in the southeast.
Nick Mercadante is doing that. A friend from
He did it
before. Yeah, he bought an Ultima just for the purpose of demolition derbying, which is what Ultima's invented. So I just thought, I don't know if I should use the word degenerate to describe people. Like, maybe I want to free people. Not
They're
the ones in the
degenerate
AI
motorists.
gen. Yeah, not the ones
They're
in the
degenerate motorists.
Well, I think
They could be very good people, but not good motorists. That is
inappropriate, and I think we're stereotyping, and that's not okay. We can say that our observation has been that Ultima driver, the observation of the collective automotive enthusiast community has been such that Ultima drivers tend to be aggressive.
and chaotic. On to the actual
AE86 Racer asks, I know y'all are all about the old cars, but if one of you had to buy a new car for fun today, what would it be? Keyword for fun. This is easy for me.
Caterham.
Okay. I mean, I wasn't thinking impractical. I mean, look, Cosmo Object 911 ST.
Cobra replica.
I think that it's new. God, I think it's,
I'm not answering the screen.
it's kind of, I mean,
Sure, 911 ST.
except if actual budgets were in consideration, in which case it would just be a GT86. Although if I'm 80 miles an hour, man, you've heard this.
Oh, it is. It's Cobra.
Yeah, I just go to the GT86. Cement galoshes.
Yes, if you had to choose which classic M chassis up to E39, E46 generation, just the chassis?
Just the chassis? If we had to choose a classic, you're probably going to choose an E28 M5, aren't you?
I was thinking about E36 M3